quantum resonance magnetic health analyzer, with therapy 3-in-1 pain relief massager. It consists of main body, 1 USB cable, 1 test rod, 2 attach wires, 2 massage pad, 2 hand electrode, 1 user manual, 1 USB with setup, 1 USB encryption lock, massage slipper. How to operate: attached setup USB to install software. Application version 4.2.1, which is upgradable. Connect Quantum with your PC/laptop through USB Quantum. You will find display of 00 in green, and red LED is on. Now connect white sensor rod with Quantum and insert USB encryption key. Now your system is installed completely and ready to work. Click to Quantum icon on desktop. Open dossier, and add details of person, like name, sex, date of birth, height, and weight. Click on Start. Hold the sensor rod in the middle of palm, ensure that it touches the middle of palm. Click on Start Test. In next 60 seconds, Quantum will scan whole body and each organs. Passing through will appear on the rotating image on screen and human magnetic field waveform. Indicators will be showing results in green, yellow, red regions to show actual status of organs. Click to save report. Keep slipper adjuster completely anti-clockwise. To connect GAN side of given white probe to slipper therapy. Female connector on other end of probe. Has 2 connection in pair. Insert them in respective place of slipper. Now push the therapy time button to period option of 10, 20, 30 minutes option. After therapy, rest the adjuster in anti-clockwise position. Same way you can connect pain therapy pad to Quantum. And place it to your knee, shoulder, ear, nose or any place in body for pain relief and massage.